Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a new thing, that is we are going to solve the question papers, which is very important for your board examination. Here we are going to solve now board examination June 2020. Last year board paper we are going to solve now. Here you can see there are A. So this is the A version paper. You will have A, B, C, D paper. But the question paper will be same. But A, B, C, D refer to the shuffle of question paper. Question paper will be same. Numbers will be different. So here I am going to solve now version A of last year board examination, that is June 2020 paper I am going to solve. Let us start this. This is a board paper, last year board paper. So let us start solving this paper. Now here we can see that first choose the correct answer. They have told choose the correct answer and write the complete answer along with its letter of alphabet. So mentioning of alphabet, correct answer, alphabet, letter of alphabet mentioning is very important. So here first question, in the pair of linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0, if a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, then the equation have no solution, equation have unique solution, equation have three solution, equation have infinitely many solution. So if a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, we know that equation have unique solution. So the correct option is B, equation have unique solution. You should remember that a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2 means equation have unique solution. Let us see the second question. In an arithmetic progression, if an is equals to 2n plus 1, then the common difference of the given progression is, we know that an is equals to 2n plus 1. So a1 is equals to, in place of n I am going to put the value of a1, 1 plus 1, that is 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1. a1 is equals to what we got? 3. a1 we got 3, like that only we will find a2. a2 is equals to, in place of n, 2 into 2 plus 1, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, a2 is equals to 5. Now what they have asked us, common difference. D is equals to a2 minus a1. D is equals to 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is nothing but 2. So the correct option is C, 2. So this paper is very important for this year board examination. Like this type of questions will come in the board exams. So here the third one question, the degree of linear polynomial. This year polynomial is reduced, so this question is reduced. Due to COVID-19 these 4 chapters are reduced, so polynomial is reduced. Okay, the question number 4, if 13 sin theta is equals to 12, then the value of cosec theta. 13 sin theta is equals to 12. 13 sin theta is equals to 12. That means sin theta is equals to 12 as it is by 13. Sin theta is 12 by 13. We know that cosec is a reverse of sin. Sin theta 12 by 13 means cosec is 13 by 12, because we know it is a reverse reciprocal ratio. Sin theta 12 by 13 means cosec 13 by 12. So the correct option is D, 13 by 12. This is the question number 4. Let us see question number 5. In the figure, if POQ is similar to SOR and PQ is to RS is 1:2, then OP is to OS is. So OP is to OS is also 1:2 because the triangle is similar. PQ is to RS is they have told 1:2. 1:2. So OP is to OS also is 1:2. So the correct option is A, 1:2. Question number 6. A straight line passing through a point on a circle is passing through a point, single point is nothing but a tangent. So a tangent is a straight line passing through a point on a circle, just in a point. Let us see seventh one question. Length of an arc of a sector of a circle of radius. This is from area related to circle, which is reduced for this year. So this question is of area related to circle, which is reduced for this year, and this is the last year question paper. So now the question number 8. If the area of circular base of cylinder is 22 centimeter and its height is 10 centimeter, then the volume of cylinder is. If the area of circular base of the cylinder is circle, so area of circle is pi r square. Area of circular base they have given pi r square is given as 22. Pi r square value they have given 22 centimeter square because area of circular base of cylinder. Cylinder base is circle. So area of circle is pi r square. So area 22 given, pi r square value we got. And its height is given, h what they have given, height is 10 centimeter. So find its volume. Volume of cylinder formula is nothing but pi r square h. So pi r square value is 22. In place of pi r square 22, h value is 10. 22 into 10 is nothing but 220 centimeter is there. So volume always in cubic centimeter. 220 centimeter cube. We should be very careful. Here we can see 220 two times is there. But centimeter square if you take, it will be wrong. Centimeter cube. C 220 centimeter cube. So this complete the choose the correct answer. Let us see now second main. Answer the following questions. Express the denominator of. This is reduce. This question is reduced for this year. For NCERT, Karnataka State Board. So reduce. This question is reduced because it is from real number. Let us see this question. The following graph represent the polynomial y is equals to. This is also from polynomial. Find the number of zeros they have told. So this question also is reduced because it is from polynomial. Actually find the number of zeros comes under the polynomial. You can see here the word polynomial. So this is reduced. Let us see the question 11th. Now I have already solved here from question number 11. Let us see how. Let me explain my key answer which I have already uploaded. Find the value of tan 45 plus cot 45. Question number 11. Tan 45 is nothing but 1 plus cot 45 value also is what? To solve this type of problem, you should know very well the tabulation table. So tan 45 value is 1, cot 45 value is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer is 2. Let us see the next question. Find the coordinates of midpoint of line joining the points x1, y1 and x2, y2. Find for x1, y1 and x2, y2. What is the formula for midpoint? You should know coordinate of midpoint is x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. This is midpoint formula. Here they have asked coordinate of midpoint x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So the next question is state basic proportionality theorem. Question number 13. State basic proportionality theorem. basic proportionality theorem is also Thales theorem. So here only state 1 mark, only statement you have to write. That is, if a straight line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in a distinct point, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. This is the question number 13, which you have to say only definition. Okay, let us see the question number 14 now. In the figure, AB and AC are the two tangents drawn from point A. Okay, two tangent is drawn, AB and AC, to a circle with center O. If BOC is 130 degree, then find BAC. This we have to find. Okay, so we know this is 90 degree and we know this is 90 degree because angle between radii and tangent is always 90 degree. So if this is 90, this is 90. 90 plus 90 is 180. 180 minus 130 if we do, we are going to get this. So here we can see BOC is 130, it is given. So BAC will be 90 plus 90, 180 minus 130, given 130. So BAC will be 180 minus 130 is nothing but 50 degree. This answer we got. How 180? Because 90 plus 90, 180 minus 130 is this 50 degree we got. So this question now, write x plus 1 upon 2 is equals to 1 upon x in the standard form of quadratic equation. We have to write in this standard form. How we will write? X plus 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by x. Let us cross multiply. X into x plus 1. I have written here x into x plus 1. 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2. X into x, x square. X into 1, x is equal to 2 as it is. So this is the standard form of quadratic equation. X square plus x, 2 if I bring here, it becomes minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the standard form. So the next question is, write the formula to find the total surface area of cone whose radius is r and slant height is L. So TSA of cone we need. Total surface area of cone is equals to pi r plus L. This type of question will be sure in the board exam. They are asking always 1 mark formula from surface area and volume. So TSA of cone is nothing but pi r plus L square unit. Okay, let us see second main. Answer the following question. This is second main. Question number 17. Solve 2x plus y is equals to 11 and x plus y is equals to 8. How we have to solve? See here, I have already solved. 2x plus y is equals to 11. X plus y is equals to 8. Equation 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. Here we can see 2x and x, which is not same. Y and y is same, but the same sign we cannot cancel. So what we have to do, to make different sign, we have to change whole equation sign. This plus is there, minus we have to do. Plus will become minus, and here nothing means plus, minus. So now 1 plus 1 minus get cancelled. Plus minus. We should see always this sign now. After changing the sign, we are not seeing original, which we have written, that sign we have to see. 2x minus x, x. 11 minus 8, 3. So x value we got 3. Put or substitute x is equals to 3 in equation 2. Why I have taken 2? We can see that it is easy compared to equation 1. Even we can substitute in equation 1 also. Let us take 2. X plus y is equals to 8. So in x place what we have to write? 3. X place I am going to write 3. Plus y is equals to 8 as it is. Y is equals to 8 minus 3. Y is equals to 8 minus 3 is 5. So we got x and y value. Solve they have told. So we have to find x and y value. Next question number 18. Find the sum of 5, 8, 11 to 10 terms. That means yes, 10 we need to find to 10 terms using formula. Sum formula SN. Sum they have told. Find the sum of. So here we have taken 5, 8, 11 to 10 terms. First term is always A. A is equals to 5. D is equals to second term minus first term. 8 minus 5. We got 3. D value we got 3. And N 10 terms. So Sn is equals to sum they have told. Now find the sum of. So this formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. Sn, n place what we are finding 10. S10 is equals to n plus 10 by 2. 2a value is 5. 2 into 5 plus n means 10. 10 minus 1. D is equals to 3. So 2 ones are 2. 2 5s are 10. 5. Then 5 we wrote. 5 2s are 10 plus 10 minus 1 9 into 3. Okay. So next step 5 as it is. 10 as it is plus as it is 9 3s are 27. So next step 5 as it is. 27 plus 10. 27 plus 10 37. So 37 5s are 185. So S10 sum of 10 term is nothing but 185. 37 into 5 is 185. So this is the question number 18. Let us see question number 19. Find the value of k. If the pair of linear equation 2x minus 3y is equals to 8 and 2 into k minus 4x, this is one term, minus ky is equals to k plus 3 are inconsistent. Now we should know the condition. When the equations are inconsistent, what we are going to get. So I have solved here. If the equation are inconsistent, then a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 but not equal to c1 upon c2. This is the condition for the equation when it is inconsistent. You should remember these conditions which is in the NCERT book part 1 page number 71. There is one table where you will find consistent, inconsistent, everything which is very important. So the condition is a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 which is not equal to c1 upon c2. So this is the given equation. 2x minus 3y is equals to 8 and one more equations they have given 2k minus 4x minus ky is equals to k plus 3. Okay, in first equation a1 is 2. We should not take x because we should take only coefficient. a1 is 2, b1 is minus 3 and c1 is 8. In second equation leaving x full term is a. a2 is 2 into k minus 4 and b2 is leaving by minus k and c2 is k plus 3. Now which is not equal, it is, let us not take. a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2. We should find the value of k, right? So a1 value is 2 by a2 value is 2 into k minus 4 is equals to b1 value is minus 3 and b2 value is minus k. Okay, minus minus get cancelled. Now let us cross multiply. 2 into k, 2k, 3 2s are 6. Or else first we will calculate this. 2 into k, 2k, 2 4s are 8 into 3. 3 into 2k minus 8. Okay. Now 2k as it is, 3 2s are 6k minus as it is 3 8s are 24. Now k terms we will bring one side and number one side. 2k here only, we will bring 6k here means it becomes minus 6k is equals to minus 24 as it is. 2k minus 6k is minus 4k. Why? Because greater number is having negative sign. Minus 4k is equals to minus 24. Minus minus get cancelled. K is equals to 4 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 6 are 24. K is equals to 6. They have told us to find the value of k only. So we got the value of k. Find the value of k they have told. So we got the value of k as 6. Question number 20. Find the discriminant of the equation 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equals to 0, and hence write the nature of root. Discriminant is nothing but d is equals to b square minus 4ac, where you have already learned in quadratic equation chapter. So the given question is 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equals to 0. A value is 2, b value is minus 5, c value is 3. Discriminant is equals to d is equals to b square minus 4ac. Let us substitute the value. B is nothing but minus 5, square is there, so square as it is. This minus as it is, 4 as it is, a value is 2. In place of a, 2 into c value is 3. Minus to the power square is plus. So 5 square 25 minus 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24. 25 minus 24 is nothing but 1. Now 1 is greater than 0. Discuss the nature of root also they have told now. 1 is greater than 0. Therefore roots are real and distinct. We have already told that there are 3 conditions: d greater than 0, d less than 0 and d equals to 0. So here we got d, 1 is greater than 0, roots are real and distinct. So the next question, question number 21. Okay, let us see the question number 21. If 1 0 of polynomial, so polynomial is reduced for this year. So this chapter is reduced. So let us not solve this. Both question is from polynomial. Find the polynomial. So polynomial is reduced. Okay. Let us see question number 22. Find the distance between the point minus 5, 7 and minus 1, 3. So how we will get distance between two problem? Distance formula we know very well. So let us see here. 2 points minus 5, 7 and minus 1, 3. So 2 points given. First point x1, y1. Second point x2, y2. Distance formula. D is equals to root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. To solve all the problems, we need to know the formula well. We should practice formula well. We should by heart it. Then only we will be able to solve the problems. So D is equals to root as it is. X2 value is minus 1. Formula minus x1 is minus 5. Whole square as it is. Plus sign as it is there in formula. Y2 value is 3. Minus as it is. Y1 value is 7. Whole square as it is equals to root of minus 1 as it is, minus plus 5 whole square, plus 3 minus 7 is minus 4 whole square. Now 5 minus 1, 4. 5 minus 1 is 4 square as it is, plus minus 4 square is 4 square only. Negative sign when there is square, then no minus sign, because minus to the power square is positive. So 4 square 16, 4 square 16. 16 plus 16 is nothing but root 32. Root 32 is, we know that 16 2s are 32. 16 is a perfect square of 4. So root 16 is nothing but 4. 2 will be as it is inside the root. 4 root 2 square unit. This is the question number 22. Now in this question we can see there is a choice or option you have here. So let us see. Find the coordinate of the point which divide the line joining points 1, 6 and 4, 3 in the ratio 1:2. When the problems comes based on ratio, we should understand that this is the problem by solving by using section formula. These 2 point given and ratio given. 2 points, first point is x1, y1 we should write, and second point x2, y2, and 1:2 is nothing but m1:m2. Let us solve this. How we will solve? Let us take these points as A and B. Let the points are A 1 6, B 4 3 and 1:2, m1:m2. How we will find? Now coordinate of point they have told. Coordinate of point formula is nothing but which divide. P divides AB in the ratio 1:2. So M1 x2 plus M2 x1 upon M1 plus M2. This is the formula. Coordinate of point finding formula, which is also called section formula. M1 y2 plus M2 y1 upon M1 plus M2. So let us substitute the value. M1 value is 1, x2 value is 4 plus M2 value is 2 into x1 value is 1 upon 1 plus 2. M1 1, y2 3 plus M2 2, y1 6 upon 1 plus 2. 4 ones are 4, 2 ones are 2 upon 2 plus 1 3, 3 ones are 3 plus 2 6 are 12 upon 2 plus 1 is 3. So 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 by 3, 12 plus 3 is 15, 15 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. So the coordinates of points are 2 and 5. So till question number 22 we have solved. Now let me stop here. In my next video I'll start from question number 23. Do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.